Hello viewers, this is a refrigeration unit for food and drink storage areas, and this is a relative's who's having some issues with it, and he asked if I could take a look at it. So I've removed the screws. I think we can just pull the cover off now. Ugh, what a mess. Okay. Why is this not coming off? Oh, it's all sticky there. Okay. Now this is not in very good condition at all. The inside here is really starting to deteriorate. Compressor mount is just deteriorating, disintegrating right off. That line is all oxidized and turning green. A little bit of dirt and rust down at the bottom of this. Well, anyways, we'll have to get all that cleaned out, and then we'll go from there. Well, that time nothing sorted out, but I had a vacuum in the same plug as the heater, and it just drew too much power, so I guess I had to cut the heater off. So this is rusting out because the manufacturers believe the water helps cool the condenser better, and so instead of having the water drain out of the unit, they have it collect in a tray down here, and then they have parts of the condenser run through the water, and that's why this is all rusted. So what I'm going to recommend is that we take this pipe out of here and let the condensate drain out somewhere else and just get rid of it, because this is essentially self-destructing the unit having it like that. Alright, I've cleaned out as much as I can of the rust. I tried to scrape a lot of it off. We're going to go ahead and test it now. All the fans seem to spin freely, though he said one of them doesn't work. So perhaps there's some underlying issue. And I've got these two little fans here that I'm going to just put in front of the coils, which is not the greatest, but it'll work for the short period of time that we're running this. And I don't expect this to be on long enough to generate any condensate, but depending on how long it takes for the problem to show up. Let's try this one. Yeah, we'll just do that for now, just in case it happens to start dripping. Alright, I don't know how this thing works. The controls are on the other side here somewhere. Put it on 50 degrees. Let's see if it starts up. I may have to look at the manual to figure out how this works. Okay, it just started up, and all the fans are running. I'm going to go ahead and plug these other fans in. Alright, I just changed the fan speed to quiet. That was much louder than I care for it to be. And I'm going to put the camera over here. Of course, it's going to wait for a few minutes before it starts up again. I'll put the camera right here. I don't think it really did anything yet. No, everything is still fairly room temperature. I'll let this record until it starts up. Actually, I'll cut these fans off so you get a better startup sound. That's startup number 2, and both fans, or actually those 4 fans, all 4 fans are working fine. Definitely working. It's getting pretty cold. Okay, so I am noticing that this fan here is stopping sooner than all the others. So perhaps there is something wrong with it. We had another successful startup of the fans. And that one, that did actually slow down pretty quick though, this one right here. See, the other ones are still spinning. This is going to be too noticeable on video or not, but this left fan here is hardly moving in the air. It's just not doing much at all. Whereas this one is putting out a pretty strong breeze. So I think we're going to have to either oil or just replace this fan. Now it looks like the fans are riveted in, So this may be kind of interesting to fix.